Welcome to 2896 Via de la Guerra in Palos Verdes Estates. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-family home for lease. Come, have a look with me. Located within award-winning Palos Verdes School District, this home is just minutes away from schools, Trader Joe's, Starbucks, restaurants, beaches, and more. A large driveway leads to a 2-car garage, and stairs in the rear yard provide access to nearby trails. The open floor plan showcases wood flooring, dual pane windows, recessed lights throughout, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. Enjoy serene views of the tree-lined street of Lunada Bay from living room's large windows. Elegance meets functionality in this tastefully remodeled Palos Verdes Estates home. The kitchen is culinary delight, featuring white shaker cabinets with black hardware, floating oak shelves, and stainless steel appliances. Hallway bathroom with a stylish white barn door. Well-sized bedrooms with ample natural light. Convenience is key with the new washer-dryer combo unit inside. White paneling on the sides of rooms. The primary bedroom offers a retreat with 2 closets, and an attached bathroom boasting dual vanities, framed mirrors, and a tub with a glass enclosure. If you're interested in viewing this property in person, or if I could offer any service, feel free to reach out. My information is below.